Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to play PUBG Mobile on your MacBook. Many people enjoy mobile gaming, and with the right tools, you can bring that experience to your larger screen. We will explore using emulators, which are software programs that mimic an Android environment on your Mac. This allows you to download and run mobile applications, including your favorite Battle Royale game, directly on your computer, offering a new way to enjoy the action. Choosing the right emulator is your first crucial step. There are several options available, each with unique features and performance levels. Once you have selected an emulator that suits your needs, visit its official website to download the installer. Always ensure you are downloading from a trusted source to protect your system. The installation process is typically guided by simple on-screen prompts, making it easy to set up your new gaming platform. With your emulator installed, it is time to get PUBG Mobile up and running. First, launch the emulator and sign in with your existing Google Play account, just as you would on an Android phone. Then, head to the built-in App Store within the emulator, search for PUBG Mobile, and proceed with the installation. After the game downloads, take some time to configure your keyboard and mouse controls for a comfortable and competitive gaming experience. To ensure the best possible gaming experience, optimizing your emulator settings is key. Dive into the emulator's preferences to fine-tune graphics quality and frame rates, aiming for a balance between visual fidelity and smooth performance. It is also beneficial to allocate more system resources, such as random access memory and central processing unit cores, to the emulator. Finally, a strong and consistent internet connection is vital for seamless online multiplayer action.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.